How to fix your Microsoft Authenticator app. Step 1. Start by checking your internet connection. Authenticator requires a stable network to sync your account codes. Try switching from your Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to refresh the sync. Step 2. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner and select Settings. Ensure that Cloud Backup or Account Sync is enabled because this makes sure data and codes are properly updated. Step 3. If code still does not appear, go to your Microsoft account security page on your another device. Under the two-step verification, remove your existing authenticator setup and then re-add it by scanning a new QR code from your account. Step 4. For Android users, make sure that battery optimization is turned off for the Authenticator app to work because this can block background sync. On iPhone, check under your settings and then Authenticator and then ensure the background app refresh is enabled. After doing all this, you're good. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.